and welcome to our third day at the exhibition grounds in Berlin. And INTERGEO 2023 is a multitude of personal contacts, precious impressions and brand new insights. And all participants, exhibitors and visitors are joyfully impressed by the huge amount of innovations, new technologies, cloud solutions and applications presented here. And so do the experts in our INTERGEO talks here live on our stage. But take a look yourself.
Hello, thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
I'm excited to be here on day 2 of INTERGEO. It's been a fascinating day and I've learned and seen so much from all of the exhibitors.
This is so good to be back again.
Good morning.
It's amazing to see how strong INTERGEO is again.
What are you personally thinking about INTERGEO?
What I think personally?
Yeah.
I think it's fantastic.
That's great. Get more kids into survey. Woo woo! Thanks.
Thank you very much, Denise, and really to the entire INTERGEO team. It's just been remarkable with our relationship with you folks.
INTERGEO is seen as the key player in communicating geospatial topics to the decision makers in politics and the user industries. In the official press conference, Gerd Buziek from ESRI summarized the role of INTERGEO with the following words: "It is giving our industry a face. Thanks for that." A further insight was the expo and the conference is growing again after the corona years. Here's a summary of the press conference. The main topic of the press conference was sustainability. The framework, in brief, the monitoring of our planet on a global scale to understand trends and patterns of change, the integration of geospatial intelligence into urban planning to create resilient and sustainable cities, both for people and the environment. DVW President Rudolf Steiger pointed out that more than 80% of the Sustainable Development Goals and its indicators are related to geodata. Godela Rosner from the German Aerospace Center drew attention to the role of Earth observation to understand the high degree of dynamics on planet Earth and to remain capable of action. Thomas Haring of Hexagon emphasized that autonomous technologies will have a positive impact on efficiency and a sustainable future. ESRI representative Gerd Buziek explained the role of geoinformation as a communication tool. Geoinformation is the fastest media to get information to our minds. Trimble, with his representative Boris Skopliak, last but least emphasized that the geospatial industry is the trusted link to decision makers. The importance of geoinformation for the areas of housing, mobility, sustainability and climate change is constantly increasing. And the economic sectors of building and construction also benefit substantially from the innovations of the geospatial industry. The integration of the BIM Days Germany as a platform for the digital construction and building industry within INTERGEO shows how the sectors are growing together.
BIM area, let's build together at INTERGEO. The BIM area within INTERGEO 2023 focuses on the topic BIM and infrastructure. Here, high-performance companies present their products and solutions and expert lectures. The aim of the event is to create digital and sustainable infrastructures by promoting the use of building information modeling technology. The program includes expo booths, presentations, lectures, an award ceremony and networking opportunities. Participating companies will present their products and services within compact and informative keynote presentations. The event is supported by BIM Tage Germany.
You know, I can tell you a lot about what's going on here. But pictures say more than 1,000 words. And here are our most beautiful ones from today. Wow, what great impressions! And on we go with the highlights of the conference.
Here we go into the last of the 3 INTERGEO days. The conference has more highlights in store. What does the future of geospatial look like? For which innovations is the time ripe? What will be accelerated by digitalization in the real estate cadastre? And what new task does the liberal profession take on? We also address questions like, what does the energy transition mean for agricultural and rural development? What contribution can the relocation of building land make for the balancing act between housing and climate protection? And how does ESG, environmental, social and governance, change property valuation? You will also hear about developments in engineering geodesy and the processing of 3D point clouds, up to the question of what contribution geodata and artificial intelligence can make to sustainability. Enjoy the INTERGEO conference on Thursday here in Berlin. See you next year in Stuttgart.
Now you know what you shouldn't miss at the conference, and here is another tip. Visit INTERGEO's startup area, which is waiting for you with these fresh ideas. Our reporter team Caro and Bruno Krensky were there for you and took a look around.
Pointly is a SaaS platform that uses AI to analyze 3D point clouds with the use of AI and deep learning. Upload the point cloud, download the vector model. This is what we are currently have under development.
Yeah, TextSky is our cloud, and we developed a text hunt, which is the hardware, to achieve millimeter accuracy and precision. So we are the first company actually who can do the processing in millimeter accuracy and precision automatically. So we can measure the movement of tectonic plates.
Drones per hour, our promise is that it's now super easy to get your 3D model. You really plan a minute, save an hour, that's our slogan. And the idea is with our app, one click, you fly around the building in an average like 3 minutes. You send us the photos, and within the day, you get the 3D model.
Yeah, Voxelgrid have their own hardware and software.
We deliver 2D CAD plans, 3D BIM models, 360-degree photos, facade plans, something like that, however the customer wants it.
Yeah, Aero Technologies is a young drone company from Cologne for measurements like LiDAR scanning, photogrammetry, and also we are specialized in getting approvals for drone flights.
Thanks for the insights.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.
So that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see us tomorrow for our last edition of INTERGEO TV News 2023. So stay tuned.